Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me. Today I have this card for you, which is using the beautiful Friendship photopolymer stamp set. I used to love this stamp set. It was in the annual catalogue last year and it's still in this year's annual catalogue. And I used it loads last year and then it sat on my shelf because I thought I've used it too much, and I put it to the back of the shelf, so I kind of gave it a break and I refound it again and I love it. I still love it. Let me show you how to make this card. The reason I like this stamp set is it's so effective. If you look at the case, it shows you where it stamps dark and where it stamps light, and it actually does. It's one stamp and it gives you that effect. It's amazing. So to get started, I've just got a scrap piece of grid paper because I am going to be stamping both on the card and, you know, half off it, and it will save me messing up my main grid paper. I'm using So Saffron, Smoky Slate and Soft Seafoam. So I'm going to start off with So Saffron to stamp the three little flowers. I've also got my memento, by the way. I should really say that because you do need a black. So I'm just going to stamp three of these in a little triangle in the corner. 1, 2, 3. Now this is what I mean. You've just seen me stamp these. I inked them and stamped them, and you can see that it's given me that lovely effect all by itself. I haven't had to do anything. Makes me feel really clever once I've done them, but at the same time really lazy because I'm actually not doing anything. So with the Smoky Slate, I have the leaves. And I'm just going to pop those around to sort of make it into a bit of a posy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I might just put another one coming off there. Yeah, there we go. Soft sea foam, and I have this sort of sprig. It's got a few little sprigs in here, but this is the one I do quite like. This one here, and this one here I'm going to be using in a second as the middle part of that flower. Okay, so if you're going along with me and you're taking them out of the case, take both out, but this is the soft sea foam one first. I'm just stamping that on the outside of the bouquet or posy, like that. Now when I did it, I was really half tempted just to leave it like that because I just think it looks gorgeous as it is, but I did pop the centres in. So I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm using memento for that. Just going to drop them in the middle of the flower. Like that. So easy, so easy. I've got a piece of Smoky Slate cardstock. So I'm just going to add some memento. Sorry, not add some memento. Don't add your memento as adhesive, it won't work. Some Tombow to the back there. Pop that on. And there we go. Then I'm just going to get some scrap Whisper White. And I'm going to stamp this down, So Very Happy to Know You. But what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to stamp it first in Smoky Slate. Whip that off. And then I'm going to grab my basic black Stampin' Up marker. I'm just looking for my chamois. There it is. Just clean that up. And you want your Stampin' Right marker in basic black. I've also got it in Smoky Slate because the first time round I did do these words in Smoky Slate, but you can do them either way. Basic black, and I'm just going to colour in the word happy. Okay, stamp that. So what I did the first time was I did the Smoky Slate with a Smoky Slate Stampin' Right marker, but you can actually just cut this out from the stamp, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to cut straight along the top and straight along the bottom. And I've cut it really close. And now I'm going to do so very, the exact same way. There we go. And then for the happy, I'm going to do that one with the basic black. There you go. Bring it back over for my card. Now I do have the mini dimensionals because you can get the small ones, but I'm just going to use these bits here that are on the side of my dimensional pack. They're that sort of shape. I'm going to put one on my happy, and then for the So Very Happy to Know You, I'm just going to give these a little trim and cut them in half. You can, if you wanted to, use our strip. We have a foam strip. They are the same width, so you could use that if you have that. Whichever way you want to adhere them, basically, without getting them all stuck to your fingers. Like I'm doing a very good job of doing. To Know You. Try and stick them straight. Don't be like me. Getting them all which way. Happy. And So Very. Then I'm just going to adhere it to my card base. I have these already made up and scored, so that all I need to do when I grab them is just fold them, burnish them, and apply the front. Quick glue. And that's the card. So simple and easy, but I think it's just a really effective stamp set. I have missed playing with it. And just in case you're interested, it is not going back to the back of the shelf. You'll be seeing this a few more times still. It is the beautiful friendship stamp set, and you can pick it up from my store. If you go to slimandstylish.com, go up to the header and click on buy, it will take you to my store. If you do like this project, please do subscribe and come back and see some of my other stuff. And yeah, thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.